Look at this view. Rows and rows of giant machines. An entire line of cement valve bag making machines under assembly. Until now, scenes like this were possible only in China, because China has always been known as the hub for large-scale machine manufacturing. Whenever anyone imagined rows of high-tech machines in assembly, the picture was always China. But today, that story is changing. For the very first time, you don't need to go all the way to China to see this scale of assembly. It's happening right here, in India, with Five Fingers Exports India Private Limited. We are proud to present India's very own large-scale assembly of cement valve bag making machines. Each of these machines is precision-built, with the finest engineering, ensuring reliability, speed, and world-class performance. From assembly to testing, every machine passes through rigorous checks to guarantee international standards. And what makes our cement valve bag making machine even more special? It's not just about scale, it's about performance. With a speed of up to 35 bags per minute, this is the fastest valve bag making machine in India. It can run with both gusseted and non-gusseted fabric rolls, offering maximum flexibility for different bag requirements. So the next time you think of cement valve bag making machines, think big, think innovation, think Five Fingers Exports. Thank you for watching and contact us to get more details. See you in the next video.